Hello, good afternoon. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Hana Wardani Puruhita. I'm a doctoral candidate from Civil Engineering Faculty in Surakarta, in 11 Maret University, Surakarta in Indonesia. Welcome to Indonesia. And thanks for the attention. I will present my research about the bricks, heritage bricks, and I will present now. The title of my research is Composition and Characteristic of Brick for Conservation and Restoration Materials of Heritage Building as an inspiration for sustainable construction. And heritage buildings are buildings that have national, historical, and cultural value that are important for the understanding and development of science and culture in the world. So they used to be preserved and managed well. In Indonesia, the Republic of Indonesia Law Number 11 of 2010 concerning cultural heritage was issued. Article number 77 states that the restoration of damaged cultural heritage buildings and structures is carried out to restore their physical condition by repairing, strengthening, and preserving them through reconstruction, consolidation, rehabilitation, and restoration work, which must take into account, number one, the authenticity of the materials, form, layout, style, and construction technology. And then the second is the original condition with the least possible degree of change. The third is the use of non-destruction technique, method, and materials. And the last is the competence of the implementer in the field of restoration. In previous research, Hana Wardani Puruhita last time has conducted research on the composition and characteristic of heritage bricks, so that through this research it can be compared to plain mutually compatible red brick and mortar materials. The method of my research is, at the first, renewable bricks are made from the best material from various others in Indonesia, particularly Central Java and East Java, with a minimum of 8 locations, including clay and lime. Renewable brick production is carried out at one of Indonesian brick production facilities to ensure complete equipment and support by experienced personnel. Laboratory research location, brick characteristic test, laboratory of the Faculty of Civil Engineering, 11 Maret University Surakarta, Indonesia, bricks composition test, integrate laboratory, 11 Maret University Surakarta, Indonesia. Research tools. The tools used are a square rulers, calipers, a compressive strength machine, and a practical tool for mathematics and natural science material. Research type and design is laboratory test and experiment. And then research variable is heating temperature, dependent variable, heating time is dependent variable, and brick composition is independent variable. And the last, the analysis technique, heritage bricks that have been lab tested for compressive strength, water absorption, salt content, and physical form are used as a reference in the experimental process of producing renewable bricks. The research procedure, we have 2 points. its physical property and mechanical properties. We can see that physical property is shape testing, and then appearance testing of bridge, and the mechanical is compressive strength, appearance density test, salt content test, and XRF, X-ray fluorescence. And the result is the character of repair brick. Number one is reference data for repair bricks from HANA in 2025. The characteristic of repair brick refer to the physical and mechanical properties of the heritage brick material studied, namely physical properties and mechanical properties. The characteristic of physical properties of repair bricks to may be based on the regarding the physical properties of heritage bricks, namely the shape is rectangular cube and the dimension vary for each building and region different. Average dimension are 5.5, 14, 25.5 centimeters. The surface is flat. Angularity 90 degrees angle. Angularity is sharp. Appearance color is average of number 2 and 5, and I will give the coloring number, and then conduct a pilot test by taking into account the additional dimension during the manufacture of the solid bricks mold, then calculate to screen rate. The second is mechanical properties. The characteristic of the repair bricks to be manufactured are based on the conclusion regarding the mechanical properties of heritage bricks, namely appearance density. The highest value is 2,624 and the lowest is 1,333 grams per centimeter cubic. The minimum standard is 1.2 grams. And then water absorption, the minimal value is 40% and the maximum is 27%. The maximum standard value is 20%. And the compressive strength, the maximum value is 69.11% and the minimum is 32.35%. The standard value is more than 50 kilogram per centimeter persegi, and apparent density value is 2.6 and 1.3. And then the result of number 3, the process of methods raw materials, pure clay, and then clean water, material processing, soak the clay in clean water for several days, and etc. molding and the materials, drying the materials, firing the materials, and final research. And the result we can see, we have a box for bricks from the wooden mold measuring, make a wooden mold like that. The dimension is 5.5, 14, and 25.5 centimeters. And the results, location for selecting clay samples from Karangmalang District, Masaran District, Mojolaban District, Barat District, Jiwan District, Lawean District, Jaten District, Kedunggalat District. Result of brick from different location have a different result, and many bricks different dimension because from the material different from many regency, East Java and Central Java. So when we get the soil from the under material from the under regency have different result. We can see number 1 until 8. The 7 is the best dimension. Same with the wood. Okay. And then physical properties, we can see the color number 1 until 8. And we have the result from the color, shape, dimension, surface, angle, and sharpness. Brick number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 have different result of physical characteristic. The shape all same, rectangular cube. And then the dimension have a different because the different materials. We can see number 1 until 8 have different dimension, and then the surface all same is flat, and the angle all same, elbow 90 degrees, and then the sharpness is same, sharp, and the color have a different color. The brick number 1 is number 1, and then brick number 2, number 4, number 5, and 3, number 8 until 5 same, number 8, and number 6 is number 1, number 7 is number 2, and number 8 is number 2. We can see the different color like that. Okay. Next, the result of the conclusion of the physical characteristic based on the visible test result, it can be concluded that from the test of the characteristic of repair brick in terms of physical properties, all repair brick are rectangular cube shape with different dimension, even though the materials are in the same region or from different regions. The different dimension of the repair bricks vary, but there are one brick whose dimension meets the wooden mold. Only one, which is like wooden mold, namely brick number 7. All surfaces are flat, 90 angles, and sharp corner. Repair bricks have a different color. In the test brick, 100% intact meets the visible properties test according to SNI 15 in Indonesia, Standard National Indonesia. And the result of the brick size test don't meet SNI due to difference in size or dimension in heritage bricks, and there is a shrinkage value seeing the edge of heritage bricks. But bricks number 7 is a brick made from clay in the Jaten Karanganyar area with clay conditions that have been left for a long time, namely more than 1 year, making repair brick with the same materials specification as number 7 doesn't require additional dimension to the mold because there is no shrinkage in size in the resulting repair bricks. So the result of physical characteristic, when we want to get the same like a wooden mold, we must use the material from Karanganyar, Jaten. Why? Because the clay condition that have been left for a long time, namely more than 1 year. And then mechanical properties, we can see many tests we have. The characteristic of heritage bricks in 10 samples were determined using mechanical properties test, including the result of test conduct in the civil engineering laboratory, including apparent density test, water absorption test, and compressive strength test, namely at STM. The result of the heritage bricks mechanical properties were taken from 3 samples at each location as shown in table 3.2, 3.3, and 3.4. And we can see in the picture figure 4, 5, and 6, we can see we have tests for appearance density test, water absorption test, and compressive strength test. We can see at the table the results. The appearance density test result for all heritage brick sample meet the requirement of SNE, which is a minimum of 1.2 grams. The highest value was 2.9 and the lowest has 1.7. So we can see at table 3.2, many sample we can see. And then at table 3.3, result of mechanical properties about the water absorption test on heritage bridge. 3 out of 10 samplings location meet the requirement of SNE with a maximum value of 20%. The minimum value is 10 and the maximum is 22%. And then the last test about the compressive strength test result for repair brick shows 100% of the value which meets the requirement of SNE with a value of more than 50 kilogram per centimeter. All good. Based on the test result, it can be concluded that the mechanical properties of repair bricks, namely water absorption, appearance, density, and compressive strength, show that all repair bricks have varying values even within the same area. The highest apparent density was 2.96 gram for brick 7. The lowest water absorption was 10% for brick 7, and the highest compression strength was 86.7 kilogram per centimeter for bricks number 7. Repair brick composition, we can see at table 3.6 composition of dominant element content and composition of dominant compound content in table 3.6b. Based on the result of X-ray SRF analysis on 3 samples of renewable bricks, there are several elements and compounds with different content value. The element content in them are like the table. At the first from dominant element content, silicon dioxide, Si, oxygen 2, and we can see at the top table. And the conclusion at the first, from the result of the heritage bricks characteristic test in terms of physical properties, or renewable brick are rectangular in shape with varying dimension even within the same area. There are one brick with dimension that match the mold, namely like the shape of the mold, made of clay that have been left for at least 1 year. All surfaces are flat, sub-angle, and sub-corner. Renewable brick have different color even within the same area with an average of color number 1, 2, and 8. In the brick test, 100% intake meets the visible properties test according to SNE. The result of the brick size test don't meet SNE due to difference in size or dimension is in renewable brick adjust to heritage bricks. Therefore, to make renewable brick good clay material, Good clay material is needed, namely left for at least 1 year with characteristic of a bitter color. And the second, the base of the result of testing the mechanical properties of renewable brick, namely water absorption, apparent density, and compressive strength, all renewable brick have different value. Even within the same area, with the highest apparent density is brick 7, with an average value of 2.96 gram, while the highest water absorption is brick number 7 with a value of 10%, and the highest compression strength is brick number 7 with a value of 89.7 kilogram per centimeter. And the last is the result of the formulation of physical and mechanical properties for making bricks for repair material as cultural heritage restoration materials can be obtained by looking at the result of physical and mechanical tests with similar value in accordance with cultural heritage law, namely by repairing, strengthening, and preserving them through reconstruction, consolidation, rehabilitation, and restoration work that must pay attention to the authenticity of the material, shape, layout, style, and workmanship technology. The original condition with the least possible level of change, and the use of non-destructive technique, methods, and material. Thank you for your nice attention. Maybe you have a question. Thank you very much. See you.